Hello, this is Victor, RestoreMercedes.com. Today I'm working on this other car here, and there it is. This is one of my cars here. It's a 95. Behind me was a 96, but this is a 95. Now this one I had to fix the exhaust. There was some problems with the pipes, so we're just gonna take a look at the exhaust. I had to weld a few things. There's some pipes laying around here. So I just wanted to confirm the repair is done, and it is quiet now, quiet as it should be. So let's go under the car and look it up and listen to the exhaust. I had to use new bolts, stainless steel, some of them. We have zero sound. This is the side I had to work on. It's a passenger side, and that is the driver's side. That's original there, and that was fine. It's the passenger side that was bad. It was making a lot of noises, rattling, and all that good stuff. A little paint throw over there. Some new bolts over there in the back, and the original seals were still good. I saved them, so that is fine. You can see no noises from the junctions. The rear portion is untouched, it's fine. So yeah, except for this rubber grommet, the rubber hanger, that might need to be replaced. I would replace it whenever, but the rest of the exhaust is still hanging good. Yeah, some oil. It's not really leaking badly at all. It's just seeping a little bit here and there, but it's not a new car. So what are you gonna do? One stud broke all the way up there. So yeah, the biggest challenge was obviously the other side, because you have to remove the other side. Right there, the bolts of the manifold. Plus you got the junctions here. That's a pain in one spot, if you catch my drift, to get these pipes separated. The rear one wasn't horrible, but the front ones, both of them were frozen. And they were original. The car's 1995, so it's 30 years old. Nobody took those pipes off, it appears. So it actually was quite difficult to do. Car needs another wash, but it runs nice and quiet now. Yeah, you can see the exhaust tips. They're not twitching or anything. Vapors, that's normal. Yeah. This was a big job. I started it yesterday, finished it today. Another whole day, but what are you gonna do? So inside the car is nice and quiet. So yeah, it sounds like a proper V12 now. Nice and quiet. I changed the motor mounts and transmission mounts, so there is no vibration in the vehicle. The fan is engaged because the temperature is over 80 something degrees, so yeah. But I'm really happy with the result. Thank God this worked out. And there are two things that are left with this car: tires and wheel alignment. A rear headrest, I don't know if I will do them or not, because where's the button? The rear headrest. Okay, one goes. I don't want to. Okay, so one works, the other one isn't working. I do have motors already repaired, Maybe I will fix the headrests. I have to deal with the parts car that has to go to a junkyard. Pretty much, well, unless whoever needs some engine and transmission, that thing runs and drives. It's just, it was an accident car, it was a project car, not the project parts car. So yeah, this is where we are. And just want to keep the window slightly open. Glued up these panels over here because you don't want these panels to come undone. They came undone, so the rear window, I was catching them. They will break, so I glued the whole thing, both sides. Yeah, so yeah, the car has a little bit of miles, but it's in really good condition. Somebody, previous owner, took care of it very nicely. Lots of work done to it. AC evaporator replaced, big job, huge job. And I did a lot of work to it because these kind of cars, I mean, at least to me, they have to be safe. The condition on the vehicle is beautiful. There was a parking lot accident here. Somebody bent the fender, so that was replaced years ago, and that fender was repainted, but no, I don't see a difference. That fender was replaced new, so the paint thickness is pretty much the same. Like I said, the previous owner had it for many years, decades rather, and he took care of it very nicely. License plate holder is not drilled through the front, it's drilled from underneath, so the front bumper is not damaged. That's a good thing. So yeah, I mean, I'll probably make another video about this vehicle later on, because again, the tires are needed. They're bad. You know, dry rot. Yep, right there. And the wheel alignment is needed because when I did the steering angle sensor, I noticed that the steering wheel was not set up right on its splines. So they did the wheel alignment, but the steering wheel was off. So now I put the steering wheel right, the splines and the steering angle sensors shows absolute 0 when the steering wheel is straight and zeroed out. But the wheel alignment was done. Like I said, you know, all these things, I mean, you got to do them right. I mean, otherwise, this is what you get. So now I have to redo somebody's job, right? Because the car tracks straight. I mean, it goes straight. It's just the steering wheel is off now because they removed it for whatever reason. Probably with the evaporator replacement, because you remove the steering wheel when you replace the evaporator, because it's a huge job. You got to, you know, remove the whole dashboard. That I know for a fact, because underneath I can see the drain lines are made out of rubber hoses. That's what I do sometimes too, because the original one's supposed to be like a foam material with the coil around the coil inside and the foam around the coil, and these are just regular rubber drain, rubber hoses. They pass through. You can see them past the transmission if you look. I mean, whatever. Yeah, it was definitely done, and AC is fine. AC is cold. So yeah, and that's about all. All right, so I guess I'll cut it quits because I have that car back behind me that has to go. Beautiful machine, V12 also. Very nice car. Beautiful car. Oh my God. Low mileage, you know, very nice. And then I have to deal with the one over there plus some others, whatever. It is what it is. There's a lot of work, but I just want to document the exhaust on the 95 S600 coupe. All right, well, this is all. Victor here, RestoreYourMercedes.com. Thank you for watching.